Like basically, I'm at Chi Chi's traditional wedding, and they've booked a venue that's right across water. So you have to be in a ferry. I'm in a ferry right now. That's the amazing driver. What's your name, bro?
Archie.
Archie. You have to literally get in a ferry to cross over the island. There's no way of getting to the building apart from this little ferry. It's a ferry, you call it, right?
Yeah.
Can you believe that? That is phenomenal. Talk about what would you call it? Secluded? How do you call it?
Secluded.
Secluded or? This is what you call strictly by invitation. I mean, invitation strictly, because you literally have to swim across the water to get here, or else there's no way. If you want to swim, well, it's not going to work, is it? Wow. So I'm here anyway. Cheers, Archie.
Right, mate.
Wow.
Follow the path on your left.
Follow the path, all right. Can you believe this? This is phenomenal. This is absolutely phenomenal. Cheers, Arch. See you later, bro. Can you believe this? God of heaven. Yep. I think I made it to the right place. That's the right place. Yep. Well, have a nice day, folks. God bless you.